Hello everyone, my name is Bharti C. In this video we are discuss Java program structure. Java program may contain many classes of which only one class defines the main method. Classes contain data members and methods that operate on the data members of the classes. Methods may contain data type declaration and executable statements. This is the diagram showing the general structure of a Java program and it contains one or more sections. Now discuss one by one. First one is a document section. It comprises a set of command lines giving the name of the program, the author name and other details like when the program is implemented, what the program name, etc. It improves the readability of the program. Whatever we write in the documentation section, the Java compiler ignores the statements during the execution of the program. To write the statements in the documentation section, we use commands. The commands may be single line, multiple line and document commands. And this third one command line is written like this. Next one is a package statement. The first statement allowed in a Java file is a package statement. This statement declares a package name and informs the compiler that the classes defined here belongs to this package. Example package and student. The package statement is the optional if you want to write or ignore it. And second one is the import statement. Import statement. This statement instructs the interpreter to load the class contained in the package using the import statement. We can access classes that are part of the other name packages. For example, import is a keyword and student.test. Student is the package name and test is the class name. This one is imported in your program. Next one is the interface statement. Interface statements. An interface is like a class, but it includes a group of method declarations. It is used only when we wish to implement the multiple inheritance features in the program, and this is also optional. Next one is a class definition. The class definition. Java program may contain multiple class definition. Classes are the primary and essential element of a Java program. These classes are used to map the objects of real-world problems. The number of classes used depends on the complexity of the problem. Next one is a main method. Every Java program requires a main method as it's a starting point. This class is an essential part of a Java program. The main method creates objects of various classes and establishes communication between them. On reaching the end of the main of the program terminates and the control passes back to the operating system. And today's thought is your brain works just like a computer. So make sure you are the only one programming in it. Thank you for watching the video.